the Go Pets Dematting Comb. Have the right tool for any mat or tangle with the Go Pets Dematting Comb, which is double-sided with a different number of sharpened stainless steel teeth on each side. Start with the side that has fewer teeth, brushing with short strokes to work through the matted or tangled fur. Our comb can be used for de-shedding as well. Just switch to the side with more teeth to grab your pet's loose undercoat. The rounded prong design makes the brush easy to clean and more comfortable for your pets. Our comb also comes with a comfortable, non-slip gel handle to make grooming a perfect experience.